If you like sports, why wouldn't you want to incorporate leather from the balls that are used in any of those sports into your wallet? Well, we know about baseball glove leather, we know about football leather and basketball leather. Basketball leather, that's the one we're talking about today. So let's look at a wallet made of basketball leather.
Wow! Basketball! Basketball!
Here we have it, Lotus and Layne. Box, let's get this open. Tissue paper that surrounds a bag. Let's see what else we have in here. Nice sticker of that, and a wonderful little keychain. Look at that, leather in there. I love that. All right, let's just set this aside and look at this itself. Nice bag. And you think we have a basketball? Well, we do. Love it. This is basketball leather, and Horween makes all the leather for basketballs and footballs. So, man, those nice layers of packaging. Orange is the color, as you would expect, and well, it's a basketball. So, let's see what else this can tell us. Simple wallet. We like simple wallets. They don't have to be very complex. It has 4 card slots. 1, 2, this main compartment, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It can hold up to a capacity of 8 cards, cash folded twice. I'd imagine that you would put cash in the inside here or in the back. I'd probably use this for a tap pay, honestly. If you have cards in here, we'll talk about this from a usability perspective, maybe, is if you have cards out here, then cards get exposed. Let me show you what this looks like really quick. Put a card in here. You have cards that are exposed. This one in the front especially, it will get worn more quickly than the ones behind it. So cash may go here for you. And if we look at the measurements of this, it's 4 by 2.8 by 0.4. And it weighs 51 grams or 1.8 ounces of Horween leather goodness. Wrap wallets are a favorite design for many companies, and we've seen wallets made from old footballs and baseball gloves, so using basketball leather made by Horween is actually very cool. Look, we're trying to get to 80,000 subscribers. It seems like it's huge. It's not. Go subscribe. Share it with your friends. As soon as we do, holy crap, 2 lucky winners, 5 wallets of their choice. This is designed and made in the United States. This is a full grain veg tan Horween basketball leather, like I mentioned. You can kind of see how the cards fit in here. I thought they went in rather nicely. There is a lifetime stitching guarantee, but I'm seeing that this could have some reinforcement issues right here. So you can see how it begins to pull away the stitching, and especially up here without very little force. And I would have liked to probably seen some double stitch right here and a double stitch right there, but there's a lifetime guarantee on it. And the edges are painted. Kind of a rough burnishing, honestly. It's not smooth or anything else, but it is a nice color. I like the black. I think that's a great contrast because we have black in the ridges around basketball, so that really is good. From a pricing perspective, it's $95. Now, I like the stance of this wallet as it provides a broader opening at the top than most. Many are very flat like this to begin with. And then as you begin to add cards, I grab a few here and put them in, it begins to stretch and close. But even with it looking like we have a gap here, cards are not going to be coming out of here. It is held snugly on both sides. And this will develop a very nice patina. It'll flatten the base here and the top as it goes along. It's in your pockets, not a big problem. And I like this modest design, or this modern design of this swoop right in here. I think that looks really nice, really cool. And with the 2 pieces of leather that are used here to wrap around, it just provides a nice tactile feel, obviously, because it's a basketball, and interest on top of that. A couple of misses there, but the texture of the wallet and the flair and the design still makes this a great wallet. Now on to the final score. For quality of 4, stitching is a bit lacking, but otherwise a great wallet. Price of 2. Similar wallets are going for almost 1/3 of the cost. Basketball leather is not that expensive. Features of 3, does what it should. Usability of 4. I think it is very easy to use. I love some of the small design elements in here. And perception of 3. That gives us a final score of 34 out of 50. If you like this video, then check this one out next. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.